Hey, this is a Mathketeer here to show you how to solve word problems using systems of equations. When solving systems of equations word problems, we first need to assign x and y values. We need to set them equal to the given totals, and then use substitution or elimination to solve. We have 3 examples here to help illustrate. Example number 1, find the value of 2 numbers if their sum is 12 and their difference is 4. When we see the word sum, we know that we're going to be using addition. So we can write x plus y is equal to 12. And when we see the word difference, we know we are subtracting. And we can use x minus y is equal to 4. We can use elimination here by combining the 2 equations. We add them together. X plus x is 2x. Y minus y cancels out. 12 plus 4 is 16. So we have 2x equals 16. Now we divide both sides by 2. And we get x is equal to 8. Now we can plug this into either one of these equations to solve for y. 8 plus y is equal to 12. Subtract 8 from both sides, and we have y is equal to 4. For example 2, flying to Las Vegas with a tailwind, a plane averaged 158 miles per hour. On the return trip, the plane only averaged 110 miles an hour into the same wind. Find the speed of the wind and the speed of the plane in still air. Well, we will set x equal to the plane speed, and we will set y equal to the air speed. So flying with a tailwind, we want to add x plus y is 158. Flying into the wind, we want to do x minus y is 110. Now we can combine both of these equations. X plus x is 2x. Y plus negative y, or y minus y, cancels out. 158 plus 110 is 268. We divide both sides by 2, and we get x is equal to 134. Now we can substitute this into either one of the equations to solve for y. 134 plus y is 158. Subtract 134 from both sides, and we get y is 24. So the airplane traveled at 134 miles per hour, and the wind was moving at 24 miles per hour. Example number 3. The local theater is selling tickets to a play. On the first day of ticket sales, they sold 3 adult and 1 child ticket for a total of $38. On the second day, 3 adult and 2 child tickets were sold for a total of $52. Find the price of an adult ticket and the price of a child ticket. Let us set x equal to adult tickets and y equal to child tickets. On the first day, 3 adult, 3x plus 1 child plus y is they collected $38. On the second day, 3 adult tickets were sold and 2 child tickets were sold for a total of $52. We can use elimination in this system by subtracting the second equation from the first. 3x minus 3x cancels out. Y minus 2y is negative y. 38 minus 52 is negative 14. We have 2 negatives, which makes a positive, so y is 14. Now we can substitute this back into one of the equations to solve for x. We can do 3x plus 14 is equal to 38. Subtract 14 from both sides, and we have 3x is equal to 24. Divide both sides by 3, and x is equal to 8. So the price of an adult ticket was $8, and the price of a child ticket was $14. So when solving word problems using systems of equations, you first need to assign x and y values, set them equal to the given totals, and then use substitution or elimination to solve. I am the Mathketeer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. Let me know what you think.